back to another video. Here we are. Wow. Out here you can sleep for sure like a baby. Beautiful calm night. So today, if you haven't seen the video of how we got here, it's the one before. Just click somewhere on the top and you can watch it. This is the view outside the windows. Today I'm gonna be taking you with me during the day, making things, walking, enjoying the hot springs, and yeah. And by the way, I'm still a bit asleep, so please mind that my brain is not working very good now. A bit slow. Time for the coffee. Okay, this is cooking. I'm gonna be making a bit of space here because I want to make sound journeys. I'm gonna be doing that now before the day really starts, and then can enjoy the coffee while doing it. And that's the next step of my day. Let's go. I'll also be meditating myself a bit while doing it because it's a nice spot here to do it. But in general, meditate like 5 to 10 minutes a day. It makes your day really relaxed. You can have an let's say overview over the life. Let your thoughts, let your emotions pass by. And enjoy this 5 and 10 minutes. All it needs to start, 5 minutes. Go for it. So that's the first step. Coffee's ready, and now moving on. Let's be switching to a time lapse for you because this will take a bit longer. But tune in every now and then. So that was the first session of the sound journeys, meditation sessions, and I'll be doing some more later, but now it's like kind of lunchtime, and it does take a while, so good to like rest a bit, make some lunch, get something inside there. I love it. We can open the door from the side. Zoom. See, it's like kind of stuck. the pasta is cooking its way through. What do we put inside? We go very basic. Almost through. So let's move on. Almost full. Time to do the washing, the dishes, and have a siesta before we start the next part of the adventurous day with Petrakis. Bye. Bye. Bye na pesire. So here we go, and I have everything. I have packed myself my watching things, a bit of couple of fruits, and my backpack is ready. And I've got the drone as well. Let's go off to the small hike. We're going through the hike, and we're going to be coming back from the tunnels. If you don't know what I mean, go and check the video from yesterday, and you will know. Or stay tuned. Let's go. El lema is bad. This is nice. We're almost there. So, friends of the way, we managed it back to the Font Calda, and I went down a bit that way, which I wasn't yesterday, but there's nothing. So I guess this is our spot, a small bañera for our stuff and for me, and let's enjoy. Oh, we managed getting a small rest, and I cannot even think. It's so nice. I mean, look at it. Anyways, and nobody's here basically. So friends, we're out. It was more of the Font de Lauvarme. It was not that warm, but it was a nice bath for sure. This kind of amazing, what a view. Me starting to complain again. Petros, enjoy the life, man. Anyways, the difference of the water is by far warmer here, and it was really nice. I mean, check this view out. It's okay, no? So yeah, on we go. That was our afternoon bath, and now check out the water. Is so clean and clear. And now we're heading back. I'm gonna take the other route now, and we're gonna be going through the tunnels, through the old railway that used to go by here. So, could you imagine living here? Let me know in the comments. Didn't know that the Camino de Santiago also passes from here. here in the area. There's more hiking routes for all you hiking enthusiasts out there. Oh, this one rock here, this one mountain, I don't know, is I don't know if I can capture it. Ah, the sun is at the right moment, at the right spot, I guess. Now this is where probably the eagles or the vultures are living. Their home. I guess so. So we're back. What a tranquil place. Hood up from it. Here's the baby. Waiting. Also to this video. So, okay, made myself a coffee, and I thought I'm gonna enjoy the view up here. Except that I saw some things. Havana yam. Okay. Thanks for joining me in this day. Thanks for still watching. The sun will be going down soon, and as I said, I'll do another couple of meditation sessions. If you want to check them out, I'll link them in the description. And then I will be heading on with some editing, and that's about it for the day, for my day. You know, if you have questions or you would like to know something about Helix, except how the roof now looks, this is for sure not the way, not the question. Feel free to hit them up in the comments. And again, thanks for watching this video up to here. Wish you a great day, great night, wherever you are. Like and subscribe, because this is, I guess, the way. And peace out and loving. Tschüss. Well, check this out. This is the birds from where I was parked all month. They fucking shit this shit fish.